Praise ye the Lord's name praise, his servants praise ye God. Who stand in God's house in the courts of our God make abode. Praise ye the Lord, for he is good, unto him praises sing. Sing praises to his name, because it is a pleasant thing. For Jacob to himself the Lord did choose of his good pleasure. And he hath chosen Israel for his peculiar treasure. Because I know assuredly the Lord is very great, and that our God above all gods in glory hath his seat. What things soever please the Lord, that in the hand did he. And in the earth the seas and all the places deep that be. He from the ends of earth doth make the vapors to ascend. With rainy lightnings makes, and wind doth from his treasures send.